The digital technology pollutes, but we often forget it. Today, digital technology represents around 3 to 4% of global greenhouse gas emission. Just in carbon dioxide, for example, there are more than 3/4 of all of this gas emission. This is more than 75%. But because it's hard to measure, this impact is usually invisible or ignored. That is exactly why we built GLPI Carbon Plugin. It comes from the IEN Project, a major research effort led by SystemX alongside a lot of partners, and Teclib with GLPI as a key partner in this project. The goal is very simple: give companies the tools to actually measure the environmental impact of their IT assets. Because every digital device like a laptop, a server, or even a smartphone consume resources. And once you consume resources, in the end, it will emit carbon dioxide. But the footprint is not the same everywhere. The energy consumed or the resources consumed in Brazil are different from resources consumed in France, and you have to take it into account. It depends on how it was built, how it's used, and the country's energy sources. If it's nuclear, if it's from coal, if it's from oil. The GLPI Carbon Plugin makes possible to connect GLPI inventory data with external databases like Boavizta and electricity maps in order to calculate the carbon footprint of each asset throughout its entire life cycle, from manufacturing and transport to actual power usage. And the result? A clear dashboard that helps companies make better choices, whether it's smarter investments or adopting a real strategy of digital sobriety. The fleet's abiotic resource depletion, primary energy consumption, and carbon emission rates are important updates to measure environmental impacts of digital assets. Remember that if you can measure it, you can change it. Start using GLPI Carbon Plugin and take the first step towards sustainable IT.